Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook With Me. So today I will be making homemade khoya kulfi, which is so easy to make and also with very simple ingredients. So let's watch. So the ingredients which are required to make khoya kulfi are 750 ml of full fat milk, kesar strands, kevra essence, elaichi, khoya barfi. You can also utilize your sweets which are made up of khoya, grated pumpkin. I have taken 250 grams of pumpkin and molds for kulfi. In a pan I will boil this milk. Now I am adding 2 elaichi in the milk. I will boil the milk till its quantity reduced to half. Now I will add 2 to 3 strands of kesar for the color and also the taste. Scraple these endings. Now I am adding the secret ingredient, which is pumpkin. It is super healthy and look at the way we are using it. I will cook the pumpkin till it turns soft and it will be easy to blend. This pumpkin will give super delicious taste to this kulfi and also a rich color. As you can see, the color of the milk has also changed and its quantity also reduced. So now it's time to add the khoya. As I'm adding khoya barfi, so there is no need to add sugar because it is already very sweet. You can also utilize your sweets in this way. Keep stirring it so that the khoya dissolves properly and there are no lumps. As you can see that the khoya has totally dissolved in the milk and the pumpkin has also turned very soft. So now I will switch off the gas and let this mixture to cool down. The kulfi mixture has completely cooled down, so now I will use a blender to make it a smooth paste. I have blended the kulfi mixture. Can you see the consistency? How smooth it is? See, it is thick and has got a beautiful color from the pumpkin. Now I will add the dry fruit. I am using chopped almonds, cashew and also some kishmish. You can use as per your choice. Mix it properly. Now I will add 2 to 3 drops of kevra essence. Don't add more than it because it is very strong. Now I will start filling this mixture into these molds. You have to fill them till here, this point. Don't fill them too much. Fill all these molds like this. That's it. I have filled all the molds with the kulfi and I have also covered them with a lid. And if you don't have molds at your home, don't worry. You can freeze the kulfi in any of the utensil you have. Like I am using this bowl for the leftover kulfi which I have. I have transferred the leftover kulfi in this bowl and now I will cover it with the foil paper so that the air doesn't go inside. Now I'm keeping these molds in the freezer for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight so that the kulfi takes the shape of the mold and also freezes properly. So wait till tomorrow. Keep the kulfi molds in this position only so that the kulfi doesn't spill. So now it's been 10 hours that I've kept the molds in the freezer. So let's unmold it and see whether it is freeze or not. I will check with the help of the knife. See, it is coming out clear. So that means it has freeze. The homemade kulfi is ready and it took me only 15 to 20 minutes to make it. So do try it at home and let me know.